Welcome to another video in our series. Today we will be looking at, still continuing with Circle Theorem, and we are going to continue with Theorem 2. Theorem 2 states that angles in the same segment are equal standing on the same arc. Now, what we want to remember about a circle, we need to remember that if we have the chord AB, then the chord AB divides the circle into a minor segment and a major segment. So therefore, what the theorem is basically saying is that if we have two angles that are in the same segment and they are standing on the same arc, meaning they start at the same starting point and the end point, so we have ACB and ADB, then angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. So basically what that is simply saying is that whatever the size of angle C is equal to, then the size of angle D would be the same thing. So here we have an example that states that we have to find the value of angle ACB. Now, applying Theorem 2, it says angles in the same segment are equal standing on the same arc. So if we observe this circle that we have here, then we realize that ACB and ADB are standing on the same arc, AB here. Therefore, whatever angle D is, then angle C is supposed to be equal to the same value. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to ADB. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 70 degrees. So basically, and it's equal to 70 degrees because angle ADB is equal to 70 degrees. Basically then, whenever we get these questions to do, it means that we have to look at the pattern and see what's happening. See if we have the same figure as we see, or we can identify any figure that looks like this. And once you see that, then you understand that angles in the same segment are equal standing on the same arc. And how do we know that again? Remember, this is the chord. This is a chord AB. And the chord divides the circle into two segments. So this segment here will be called our minor segment. And this segment here will be called our major segment. So therefore, once we can recognize that the angles are standing in the same segment standing on the same arc, then we apply Theorem 2, which states angles in the same segment are equal standing on the same arc. I hope you would have understood, get a deeper understanding of this theorem, and whenever you see it, you will be able to identify when to use this theorem so that you can improve your grades in the exam, So I encourage you to continue watching this series, as we will be providing more videos on this topic so that you can get a fuller and better understanding of circle theory. So do remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment. It will be helpful to help us to grow so that we can better see.